With urban growth in Pakistan, there's a rising need for underground sewage pipes. This Lahore workshop uses local clay pipes and concrete mixed by the owner's dad to win big municipal orders. The pre-cut clay pipes you see are for making internal frameworks for sewage pipes. To make fixed supports, a simple machine shapes these straight steel plastics into circles. In the assembly area, the iron rings are placed at set intervals. Welding is used to secure the connections between the iron rings and reinforcing steel, ensuring the framework stays intact. Though costlier than using wire, the owner believes it's worth it for a better reputation. After welding the framework, it's carefully placed into prepared rubber molds. The standard size makes installation easy. The molds with the framework are set aside, while the assistant prepares concrete materials. For a 2.5-day quality guarantee, granite stones are added to the concrete for better strength. They're poured into a 250-liter mixer, followed by sand mixed with cement. Finally, precise mineral water is added, and mixing begins. Accurate addition of materials ensures the concrete meets standards. While the assistants work steadily, the master is busy too. The rubber molds are moved to the workstation using a homemade slide. The molds weigh over a ton, so a hoist chain is used for installation. During pouring, the mold rotates at 250 RPM, controlled by a reduction mechanism. 2 experienced workers handle the feeding process to prevent material shortages in the pipes. In half a day, the main pouring is done. Dry cement is sprinkled on the pipe surface for quick setting. After initial setting, the master smooths and polishes the pipe interior. Once the pipe air dries, after 24 hours, assistants move it to the maintenance area. Here, the pipes are maintained by the manager's cousin for half a month. Then, municipal workers transport them to the construction site. The new sewage pipes are now complete. How do you think their quality is?